Section 1. The future of conversation. A at your fingertips. Imagine a world where tackling your to-do list feels effortless. Picture yourself breezing through research, crafting compelling stories, and even having a philosophical debate, all with the help of an AI companion. This isn't science fiction. It's the reality of Chat GPT. This powerful tool is changing how we communicate and accomplish tasks. It's time to unlock its potential and reshape your relationship with technology. Dive in and discover how Chat GPT can revolutionize your daily life. The future of conversation is here. Chat GPT is more than just a chatbot. It's a gateway to a world of possibilities. It can help you work smarter, learn faster, and express yourself more creatively. Whether you're a busy professional, a curious student, or simply someone looking to simplify your life, ChatGPT has something to offer. This guide will equip you with the knowledge and skills to harness its full potential. Get ready to unlock a new level of productivity, creativity, and efficiency. The journey starts now. Section 2. Demystifying ChatGPT, your AI communication partner. ChatGPT is an advanced language model developed by OpenAI. It's trained on a massive data set of text and code, enabling it to understand and generate human-like text in response to prompts. Think of it as a super smart chatbot, capable of holding conversations, answering questions, and even creating written content. Its ability to process information and generate text makes it an incredibly versatile tool for various purposes. At its core, ChatGPT is a communication tool. You interact with it by typing in prompts or questions. These prompts act as instructions, guiding ChatGPT to generate the desired response. The more specific and detailed your prompt, the more accurate and relevant the output will be. Experiment with different prompts to explore ChatGPT's capabilities. ChatGPT can translate languages, write different kinds of creative content, and answer your questions in an informative way. It's like having a personal assistant, writing tutor, and research partner all rolled into one. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. Section 3. ChatGPT Power-Ups, from chore chart to creative powerhouse. Let's explore the practical ways ChatGPT can supercharge your daily life. For personal productivity, ChatGPT can help you organize your schedule, draft emails, and even brainstorm ideas for your next project. Imagine effortlessly managing your to-do list while ChatGPT drafts emails for you. It's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips, freeing up your time and mental energy. In the realm of research, ChatGPT can summarize lengthy articles, provide different perspectives on a topic, and even generate hypotheses for further exploration. Imagine condensing hours of research into concise summaries, or gaining new insights from ChatGPT's vast knowledge base. It's like having a research assistant working tirelessly alongside you. But ChatGPT isn't all work and no play. It can also provide hours of entertainment. Ask it to tell you a story, write a poem, or even generate code for a simple game. You can explore your creativity in new and exciting ways with ChatGPT as your co-pilot. Unleash your inner artist, storyteller, or game developer. Section 4. Speaking Chat GPT, crafting prompts for optimal results. To truly unlock Chat GPT's potential, you need to master the art of crafting effective prompts. Think of prompts as instructions that guide Chat GPT's responses. The clearer and more specific your instructions, the better the output. Start by identifying your goal. What do you want Chat GPT to do for you? Once you have a clear objective, provide context. Instead of asking, write a poem, try. Write a poem about the feeling of nostalgia. The more context you provide, the more nuanced and relevant ChatGPT's response will be. Don't be afraid to experiment with different phrasing and keywords to see what yields the best results. Remember, ChatGPT is a tool. It's up to you to wield it effectively. By mastering the art of prompt engineering, you'll be able to unlock ChatGPT's full potential and achieve remarkable results. So, start practicing, and don't be afraid to get creative with your prompts. Section 5. Level up your life. Master ChatGPT. Master your day. Mastering ChatGPT interaction is more than just learning a new skill. It's about embracing a new way of thinking and working. It's about leveraging the power of AI to enhance your productivity, creativity, and overall well-being. By integrating ChatGPT into your daily routine, you're not just keeping up with the pace of technology, you're setting it. Imagine a world where you can effortlessly manage your tasks, explore new ideas, and express yourself with clarity and precision. This is the promise of ChatGPT. It's a tool that empowers you to break free from limitations and achieve your full potential. So embrace the future of communication and unlock a world of possibilities. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest tips, tricks, and insights on maximizing your AI interaction skills. Together, let's unlock the full potential of ChatGPT and revolutionize the way we live, work, and create.